Hey boys and girls, how's it going? Today we are in sunny Herzliya. Can't believe it's the middle of winter. Feels like spring. First of all, look at that view. Construction everywhere. Unbelievable. So here they're doing it called Tama 38. Kind of construction earthquake prevention. Okay, so we got a compressor here. We got our patch in the line. I'm not sure what I did this time. You could see from here. This is an air vent about 2 flights down. Someone made a core drill, 2 holes. Well, they made the first hole went right through this. Let's see if we can see right here. Look at those holes. And if you look right inside, there you go. There's we're cooking right there. So right now you see an orange sleeve, right? You don't see the silicone with the fiberglass. Why is that? Because we got a big hole and I don't want the patch to expand too much into the void. So I put a sleeve around it to make sure it doesn't expand beyond the 4-inch diameter of the pipe. So inside, within the orange, and a little bit above and a little bit below, so it forms to the pipe really good, is the silicone patch. So that's what we got. This is our working spot right here. Nice and sunny. Loving it. There's the coast. And that's all there is. Now it's gonna watch the grass grow. All right, so as you can see, here's the HDPE pipe. Someone did a nice core drill right through it. Say hi to the great outdoors. Or the great indoors. We just finished doing our prep work. Where are you going? And what we're actually going to do is I want to go inside the apartment. I want to show you actually the holes and show you the sleeve that's currently cooking in place. So come take a look. And here we are. That's the exterior wall. Here's the bathroom, and check it out right there. We got this hole that they did over here, and they moved it over there, as you can see. There's the silicone oozing out, still sticky, and it's exactly the form of the pipe. There's the camera. How cool is that? Peekaboo! All right, we're back on the roof. We've waited the requisite time for the patch to cure. Right now, you can see it's pressurized, 2.5 bar. The balloon or their packers inside expanded, keeping the form to the patch while it cures. Now that it's cured, I'm gonna let the air out, pull it back, and look with our camera to make sure that that the repair was good. All right. The balloon is now completely depressurized, so we're going to pull it out. There's the packer over there. And now we're going to throw in our camera inside. So make sure we're clean. Throw it down. Bring this down to 0. Let's go inside. Making our way down. They have some other punctures in this pipe. I'm not going to deal with right now. We're dealing with that major hole that we saw. And look at that absolutely beautiful transition right here. See that? No diameter reduction. Absolutely beautiful. Here's another hole that, as you can see right there, sticking out. That's another hole that we dealt with. And absolutely beautiful. Packed out right to the diameter of the pipe. No diameter restriction or anything. And as you can see also, Very smooth. It didn't no belly where the hole of the hole's drilled through. All right, so another successful operation. We're done here. Still got time left of the day, so we're gonna head over to Hulon to our main supplier. They ordered some equipment from Finland from the Prupis company. So we're gonna test out and do some little training there, and finish the day off that way. By the way, I didn't mention, this is like on the top part, it's like 6 or 7 stories. Elevator ain't working. I had to go up and down the stairs so many times. I'm exhausted with the equipment up and down. Whew. All right, we're done. All right, we're inside of our supply shop here. Rom Jetter, Dan Cutter Robotics. We got our jetter with a camera on the top. Crawler Robotics camera for 12-inch and above. All sorts of awesomeness here. 360 camera for Solo Pro mini cam. Brush epoxy. Awesome place. I'm right every time. I told them I was buried in the wall. Basically what happened was I was at my suppliers at Hulon and I got a phone call and they say, gotta come over here, you gotta get some silumim and some camera in this building. So I hightailed over here. I said, you can't do a camera when it's flooded, when there's water in the pipe. So I tried my snake to open up the clog, didn't go anywhere. I said, it must be that there's a, I'm sure that they they covered over the pipe over here. And that's what it is. Let's take a look. There it is. There's the pot. Can't make this stuff up. Got one more camera job here to do. All right, so this is where I first started out. We came with equipment over here. As you can see, that was all flooded. We put this with this snake down here, the K60, and it got stuck. So I threw in the camera, turned on the sond, and that's where it was stuck right there. This building is cursed. It's terrible, man. This is the same building that we took out the concrete a couple days ago. Ciao.